Are you okay, James?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mom, I am ready. I am so ready. Liam, you have 10 minutes still. I know, but I am ready.
Good morning, champ. He looks like he is going to space.
Dad, it is not funny. This is serious.
I know, buddy. I know. You got everything you need, son?
Yep, just checking.
Okay. Have a good day at school.
Liam, it is all there. I know, I just want to be sure. Where are you going? To school. By myself. For the first time. By yourself? With no mommy? With no mommy. No daddy. Just me. What if you get lost? Lily, I know the way. I have walked it 50 times. With Daddy. That does not count. Hey, Mom, I'm ready for school.
Good morning, sweetie. Breakfast is ready. You are not fine.
I am fine, Sarah.
I'm ready. My laces are perfect this time. Okay, I am going. Wait, sandwich.
You know the route. Stay on the pavement, Mom. Mom. I know. You're gonna do great today. Oh, Mom. I love you too. Mwah. Ugh, wiped it off. Oh, you.
Bye, Liam. Come back the same. What does that even mean? I do not know. It just sounds right. Bye, Mom. Have a great day, sweetie.
He is going to be fine.
Yes. He is.
Kids walk to school alone every day.
James. He is fine.
I forgot.
I have a thing today.
What thing?
A work thing. I need to go out.
You said you were working from home today.
I have to go now. Shh. Quiet. Don't let them know I'm here.
Where are you going dressed like that?
Like what?
You missed the flight, didn't you?
Well, there was traffic, and the alarm didn't go off.
James. James. It is not cold. It is sunny. Look what I found.
Oh, wow. Are those for me?
For us. Oh, I love them. Thank you. James.
They are small ones.
James. Well,
I want to make sure he...
we agreed. We said we would let him go alone.
I know what we said.
Then WHI do you have binoculars?
Because I am his father, Sarah.
Heartfelt, why are you wearing Mommy's sunglasses? He needs this. H.E. needs it.
Not you.
I know.
I know. Because what if something goes wrong?
Then he handles it.
He is 8, Sarah.
He is 8. And he is ready.
I've got my eye on you, Liam. What are you up to? That is my boy.
Uh-oh. Honk. Nice geese. Good geese. Okay. Okay. Think.
Do not run from them. Do N-O-T run.
Yes! Y-E-S. That is my boy.
Keep your head down, they're coming.
Oh dear, you're not very good at this, are you?
You all right, James?
Fine. Great. Watching birds.
Bird watching? Really, James? Mom, you just don't understand the complex migratory patterns. I do not see any birds.
They come and go.
I think I'll go this way.
No, no, no. That is the wrong way. Whoa! That was close. Oh. Need to be more careful. Don't move. Don't move. Okay. Okay. What is that guy doing? Just observing, citizen. Carry on. I know. Liam? Liam, where are you? Liam? Where are you, Liam? Please be safe. I don't know which way to go. No, it's a dead end. No! N-O! Liam! I found you. This map helped a lot. Oh, thank goodness. You just need to follow this path here. It's a shortcut. Oh. I see. I went too far, right? Happens to everyone. I got lost in this town once.
Really?
Really. Getting lost is how you learn the real streets.
Goodbye. I'll see you soon.
License and registration, please. What are you doing here with those binoculars? Just bird watching, officer. Bird watching? Right, let me see those.
Sir, can I ask what you are doing?
I'm just, it's complicated.
You need to understand how much I care, how worried I am for your safety. I don't know what I'd do if anything happened to you. He is 8. First time walking alone. I just needed to know he was safe.
I understand. I messed up. Son arrived safely. On time. I know. Sir Dead, with respect to Buck, you followed your child through 3 streets.
The pigeon frightened them, not me.
I'm home. What's wrong? James, the school called me.
Sarah.
The police called the school. The school called me.
I can explain. I could not do it. I tried.
I sat at that table. I know.
And I sat there for 3 whole minutes.
James?
What if there is one moment, 1 second, and I am not there?
Protect him from every hard thing? Forever?
He got lost. He actually got lost, Sarah.
And what happened?
He found help. He fixed it himself.
Yes.
Look what I made, Daddy.
Wow, that's beautiful. Come sit down.
Daddy, you look very small.
Yeah, I feel very small right now.
Maybe that is why you used these.
What do you mean, sweetheart?
Because when he is far away behind, you miss him. So you made him closer.
I bought those binoculars when Liam was born.
I know.
I'm back! I did it! Dad, are you all right?
Yes, everything is just fine, son.
Were you worried?
A little bit.
I got a bit lost, but I fixed it.
I heard.
I also went to a bookstore.
Did you?
Yes. Tell me more. Here, Dad.
Oh, son. I thought I lost this years ago.
And then the little bear found his way back home, safe and sound.
That's so funny.
Yes, it is. Let's look at the next adventure.
The Canada goose is known for protecting its young. And the little bird kept its eggs warm.
Yes, that's right. They're very good protectors.
Like you, Dad?
Yes, Liam, just like that. Now let's see what the other page says.
I met some today.
I know.
You followed me?
I did.
Did you almost run forward when they came at me?
Yes.
But you didn't.
No. I did not. know, my son had the most amazing day today. He just lights up when he talks about it. But maybe Guy, my job is to be there after the hard things. When did someone first let you do something alone?
I was just wondering, what's a moment that made you feel truly loved?